the goal is that you get that depth of granularity and also the relationship between them with whatever added information you want to add. So I don't know if you've gotten to poke it all into OpenTelemetry, but the nice thing about OpenTelemetry is that traces are made up of just a unit called spans, and those spans can have as many attributes as you want. So if you want to be able to say here, this search occurred in low power, that would eventually be something that you could search on. Basically, you could start to search for, I don't think I have any in here. It's not going to work as beautifully as I just explained it, but we could search inside of these for maybe an attribute where that attribute was something like low power. It's not going to show up because there aren't any, but it allows you to sort of filter down on the user activity occurring at that time that might have that might fit what you're looking for. So the nice thing is once you've got this instrumentation in case in I wish I knew how to talk. I'm sorry. Let me say that again. Once you've got all this instrumentation in place, you can start to dig down into the details of what's actually happening in the user experience. You can see both durations, the latency. We can also see the unsuccessful traces. So if someone wasn't able to complete that trace, you just start to see more and more of what's actually affecting user performance.